Hello students, in this lecture let us discuss about the Faraday's law. So Faraday's first law, what does it say? The amount of chemical reactions taking place at the electrode by current is directly proportional to the electricity passed. Right? This is what the Faraday's law has to say. Now, 1 farad, everyone knows that 1 farad is equal to 96500 coulomb per mole. Now, from where this value is coming? See, 1 farad is equal to a charge on 1 mole of electron, 1 mole electrons. Now, what is the meaning of 1 mole electron? It is a charge on 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 electrons. Right? What does this mean? Is that 1 farad equals to, what is the charge on 1 electron? Charge on 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. And what is the unit of a mole? That is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 per mole. This comes to approximately, if you solve this, you will get 96500 coulomb per mole. This is the thing about the Faraday's law. So now let us solve one problem and understand this concept. Here is the question. Question asked is how much electricity in terms of farad is required to produce 20 gram of calcium from molten calcium chloride. Now molten calcium chloride, in this calcium chloride, calcium is existing as what? Calcium 2 plus. Right. Now here calcium 2 plus will accept 2 electron, and this is how the reduction process would be done. Now this is a standard equation which we know. So over here, if you see, what is this? Like it is 2 moles of electron. This represents a 2 mole of electron. So what do we say? When charge on 1 mole of electron, it is 1 farad. So here 2 mole of electron means what? It is equal to 2 farad. For conversion, this is giving you 1 mole of calcium. Right? So what is the meaning of 1 mole of calcium? How much is the weight? So here molar mass is given to be 40 grams per mole. Right? So 1 mole means this is equal to 40 grams. Right? So what do we say? That from this equation we understand that 2 farad deposits 40 gram. Right? So to deposit a 20 gram, how many farad? X farad of the electricity will be required, right? So X will be equal to what? X will be equal to 20 into 2 divided by 40. X is equal to 1 farad. So answer over here is just 1 farad. This question is directly formula based. Read the question. Okay. So you should know the formulas of the Faraday's law. A solution of nickel nitrate is electrolyzed between platinum electrode using current of 5.0 ampere for 20 minutes. What mass of nickel will be deposited at the cathode? Now, what is the formula? We know from basic that mass deposited is directly proportional to what? It is directly proportional to Q. Q is the amount of the charge flowing through the circuit, right? So M, I put a proportionality constant Z over here, which is equal to, so over here M Z Q. Now what is Q is equal to I into T, current into time, right? Z is equal to, like, charge. Q is equal to charge, that is equal to I into T, right? ZIT. Now what is Z is equal to? Therefore, Z, we know that it is equal to molar mass or atomic mass, molar mass of the nickel. Where is that given? Yeah, it is given, molar mass upon N factor into 96500 into I multiplied by T. This is what the formula which we are having finally. So M is equal to molar mass is how much? It is given to be 58.7, right? Current is how much? 5 ampere. Time is 20 minutes. 20 minutes means you will be taking that in second. So this comes to 20 minutes means 1 minute is equal to 60 second, right? 60 into 2 is 120, means these many seconds, right? N factor for this nickel nitrate. See, nickel is in what oxidation state? For salts, N factor is equal to the oxidation state. Over here, nickel is in +2 oxidation state. If you split this way, right? This is in +2. So N factor over here is 2 and 96500. If you solve this, the mass that you are going to get over here, the final answer is to be 1.82 gram. 1.82 gram. And this is the final answer.